Hello everyone, I'm back again with my new video, and I hope you all have subscribed to my channel. And this time I'm going to show you a very new application by Microsoft. In fact, it's not really new, but mostly the project managers and those who deal with managing the projects uses this application. And this application is mainly targeting project managers and those who are going to take up any projects. So let's jump into the demo. I have logged in with my Office 365 tenant account, okay, and you can see this application called Planner, Microsoft Planner. I've already opened it. Microsoft Planner is actually an application which gives you the environment where you can set up the tasks for employees, and you can separately manage all the projects and the multiple tasks which have been done and which are in progress. So it's really a good thing. It's really a good tool by Microsoft because it really helps in managing the projects in quite friendly way. If you have guys used the Project Professional, the Microsoft project tool, that was much heavier and much what you can say harder to use. Because it has too many features, but Planner is more friendly and more easy to use and have simple steps. Let's see how to get started. So here I have in my left is the navigation where I can see all my plans which I already have. Okay, I can even see my favorite plans for my projects. I can see my tasks here, and then we have Planner Hub, which I'm already here. And in the main screen, the dashboard, we can see all the plans here. So let's start making our plan here. New plan. Okay, I can name it anything like sales. When you name a plan name, it will automatically generate an email address as well. So all those employees and all in your organization can send an email to that email address. Okay, so it will be received by those who are assigned to this project. Okay, so I can make my project public or private if I want to. I am sticking with the public. I can even add some description here. Alright, create plan. So it's creating my plan now. Yeah, here we have our a sales plan now. It's still loading. Let it load. Yeah, here we have our plan for the sales team where we are going to manage our projects for our sales team. Now what we have here is if you have used the TFS, Team Foundation Server for Visual Studio, if you are a developer, you all must have known about the Kanban boards. Similarly, in Planner we have a board type of features where you can simply create a board which will contain a bucket, and a bucket will contain those tasks which are going to assign to members. Alright, we have board on the top, and then we have buckets, and then inside those buckets we have multiple tasks which can be assigned to multiple users. Okay, so let's create our first bucket. Here we have our add new bucket. Let's name it as initialization. Buckets you can say as a phases for our projects. It can be initialization phase, and then we have designing phase. Okay, and then we have developing phase, and then in the last we are going to have release. Okay, so these buckets will surely separate our concerns for our projects, and it will also help the users to understand which bucket we are going to work. So if we go to the initialization, I can assign a task here. Make documentation. I can even set the due date like 20th of April, and I can add assignments for who will be doing this. Okay, I can add multiple users here. I hope I have some. Yeah. Right. So we have set a task here, make documentation, and let's see what we have. We can more see in this task. If I click in the task, I will have I will be shown this screen, make documentation, and it is assigned to these two users. I can even see the checklist here to add an item. Like it says that what we have done in this task, like we have made the documentation, and I can check that mark, so it will be cut that. It will cut that out. If I uncheck it, it will remain as just like before. I can even type the description of my task here, and if I have any images or anything that I want to attach with my colleagues for in the task, I can attach it here, or any URL or any website that I want to visit with my partner in my task here, I can share a link here as well. I can even go for the comments. Okay, like this. So it has been posted now. So here we have one task which is not yet completed. Okay, and it is due to on 20th of April. All right. Similarly, I can do this with other buckets as well. So that's how planner works. And then we have two more options here. We have charts where we can see the analytics of our project, or where our project is current status on, and which a task has been assigned, and which tasks are in progress, and which have been completed. Okay. We have a separate notebook for our plan here, which will obviously go to our OneNote. So we can prepare our documents here on OneNote as well. Sales notebook. It is already named my notebook with the sales notebook, because the sales was the name of my project. Right now project notebook is empty. What more we have? We have a calendar here as well. We can see the calendar. So if we want to share a make up a meeting or assign anything to my team members, I can assign some meetings for my sales team right from the plan. All right. Then we have integrated some files, which will obviously going to be my SharePoint side behind. Okay, so I can manage my documents here for this plan particularly in the SharePoint. It has automatically created a dedicated site for my sales project. Okay. What we have more, like we can leave this plan from here. We can add it to favorites like this, and we can even subscribe to an email update, so we will be getting emails whenever a new thing has been done. All right. So that was a brief introduction for the for the Microsoft Planner. I hope you have guys enjoyed my video. Please do subscribe my channel. I will be making more videos on Office 365 in future. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.